Hi, welcome to part 3. So, this is a question. Uh, you know, some idiot is there. He is continuously executing a script again and again. Okay, so there was some bug due to which he was able to do that. Now that bug has been fixed. But what the company is saying is, if in future similar idiots come, I want to get alert. Okay, I don't want the compute engine to crash because earlier this idiot crashed the compute engine by running the same script again and again. See, D is telling that, see, first of all, stack driver we have to use. Okay, so stack driver is a observability solution. You can monitor, observe in Google Cloud. Okay, but what D is telling is they will log all execution, each and every execution they will log. Then they will take this data to BigQuery. There they will fire select count star wherever the executions, how many executions happen in a time frame. Okay, but uh, about notifications? They didn't tell about notifications. Second is, this is a, I mean, it will take a lot of time to the logs to get into big query, then you query, right? We schedule that query. It will take a lot of time. Plus, it is an incomplete solution because notifications they are not sending. Now you might say, who told you want notifications? See this word here. I want notifications. See, C also says we will log everything and we will display on a stack driver dashboard. But what about notification? Who will send the notification? So what a B is saying is, guys, let us monitor CPU usage. If that metric crosses threshold, how much threshold? 80%. If it crosses 80%, we will notify. Okay, that means you will first allow the terrorists to come into your country. If 80% of people will die, then you will take action. Okay, so you are already screwed up. No, your 80% resource is utilized. This guy, you are just near a crashing point. That 20%, that is the only time that is left to take action. Do you want an alert so late that you cannot take action, you don't have time to take action? No. So we will use the process health condition of stack driver. What it will do for you, the moment extra processes get spawned, this idiot, he submitted one job, two job, three job, that script is rerunning. The moment we see, okay, 5, 6, 10 times somebody is submitting, we will notify that time itself. We will not wait for CPU to be utilized 80%. By that time, he must have fired this job 1,000 times to screw your system. The moment we see 5, 10, 15, oh, some idiot has come into our system, let us notify and take action immediately. Does this option say we will enable notifications? Yes, this says enable notifications, so you will get notified. See, this is another question. So you want a unified log view, okay, for your SIEM means you want to understand what is happening in what system. You just want log view you want. Okay, this is the log view. Now the projects. How many projects are there? See, they have one folder. Okay, that folder is called non-prod, and within that they have test and pre-prod projects. Okay, and then there is a billing account that everybody shares. These guys also share. So we want export strategy. So we do not need to worry anything about ABC billing account. No need to worry about it. That is a noise. So we eliminate the noise. Okay. Now option D. See, this guy is telling use storage solution. So storage solution is not the need of the hour. We want a unified log view. Okay. So this storage solution will not work. It is like you store something in AWS S3. Similarly, in GCP, you store something in cloud storage bucket. But how will it solve this problem? What folder are there? Non-prod is there? Test production project? Nothing they have mentioned any detail. Okay, just one blanket statement. Let's use cloud storage buckets. Now A is telling we will use cloud pub sub. So PubSub is a message service, asynchronous. That means it will not happen immediately. If one data comes, one row of data comes, it will not sync immediately. It will sync after some time. It is asynchronous. Okay. You ask your wife to do some work, like bring a glass of water. She will bring it after 5-10 minutes. She is asynchronous. Okay, we will use PubSub, no problem. But here it says, see, this is parent folder, but they will set the include child children property. Setting the property will not automatically export the logs for test and pre-prod projects. They are child of non-prod. It will not automatically do it. So you need to export logs for each project. Do this for test project, do this for pre-prod project, okay, in a dedicated SIEM project, and then you subscribe SIEM to the topic. So this is how the logging export strategy will work. Option C is the correct answer. So this next question, this is a fantastic question. See, your customer is saying, I want to prevent attackers from hijacking and redirecting you. So if you type suppose www dot no dot www dot amazon.com, okay, then I see I'm not like some of the ministers. They say www.com. Okay. Guess who said that? But coming to the topic, if you want to go to amazon.com, you type it and it somehow goes to some other website in China, suppose. Okay, that's a malicious site. You want to stop such kind of attacks. So VPC flow log, it records a sample of network flow sent from and received by VM instances. So this is a network solution. It will only log. You can do forensic on that log in future. So this service is like your watchman. If someone comes inside, gets into some person's home and steals something, that guy will only log, okay, this guy came at this time. The register will have his entry, even though that will be a false entry. That means false name, false phone number, but some entry will be there. This guy is like that only. If you see flow logs, it will not stop the attack. We want to stop the attack. See, armor can stop the attacks, but which sort of attacks? They will stop DDoS attacks and web attacks. We are supposed to stop man in the middle attack. That is the name that is called. So this will not work. Identity aware proxy. You can control access to your VMs. Okay, and uh, you can work from untrusted networks, but this guy is not supposed to stop any attacks. This guy is not a cop. He is not a SWAT team to stop attacks. So this is wrong. So you have to use DNSSEC. It will protect your domain from spoofing and poisoning attacks. So in our question, this scenario is a spoof scenario. For example, you have Shah Rukh Khan, the original Shah Rukh Khan, but there are so many reels I see people who are duplicates of Shah Rukh Khan. Some are good, some are doing good work, good duplicates. They look very close to him. Some are really bad duplicates. Okay. Hence, option C, DNS security extensions is the right answer. If you have already subscribed, good. If not, uh, do it. Not for me. Help yourself get certified. So I hope you understood the concept. We will post many more such parts.